Alright, so I'm going to be giving a brief overview on removing the CNG system from a 99 Ford F-250. So today's video focus on the tanks. As you can see, I already have mine removed. Now, I actually had mine removed by a professional, and I'm going to tell you how. It was done for free. My tanks were not expired, so I put an ad on KSL and Craigslist, and I said free tanks, non-expired, they're free if you take them off. Tanks will usually run between $400 or $500 in that condition, so unfortunately that's the only tip I really have for you. Otherwise, there's just some bleeder valves on the thing, and you're going to need more than one person to lift it out. So that's my suggestion there.